Today on Drive-Thru Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make Taco Bell sauces. Yeah, that's right. I got 4 of their most popular sauces right now, and I didn't space them well enough to be able to put my hands on them well, so I'm like falling all over the place. I swear to God, I'm not drunk or having a seizure. I'm just special. So, you want to watch the rest of this? Okay, good. Because if you watch the rest of this, I promise you, I will show you how to make their Avocado Ranch Sauce. I'm going to show you how to make the Creamy Chipotle Sauce, the Creamy Jalapeño Sauce, also known as the Magic Pink Sauce. Oh yeah, what is that? What is that? Okay, the color's slightly off because I don't know what magic they use, but that is the Avocado Verde Salsa. Yeah, you know those cool little packets that you have to pay extra for? I'll show you how to make it at home. That ain't easy, folks. That is the hardest sauce they have on their menu. But right now, I'm going to show you how to make 4 of the most popular Taco Bell sauces right here, Drive-Thru Kitchen. Stay tuned. Let's watch. Let's go. So let's start off with the Creamy Jalapeño Sauce. We've got 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise going in here. We've got 67 pickled diced jalapenos, the sliced jalapeno things. We've got all the ingredients you're seeing there, all the dry ingredients, plus some lime juice going in. Now we've got an immersion blender in a little cup, and we are just going to blend this up. Could you do it in a blender? Sure. NutriBullet thing would work better, but, you can do it either way. Now just put this in a squeeze bottle, and you have made yourself the Creamy Jalapeño Sauce from Taco Bell. Yeah, it's just that easy. Seriously, that's it. That's all that's in there. That's it. And don't worry if the ingredients went by too quickly. We've got everything listed down in the description down below, so just check that out for the full recipe. Now you know how to make the Creamy Jalapeño Sauce from Taco Bell. There you go. Okay, let's get started making the Creamy Chipotle Sauce. We've got 1 cup of mayonnaise. We've also got 1/3 cup of heavy cream or whole milk to thin this out. We've got 1 chipotle. This is one of those canned chipotles with some of the adobo sauce. Now we're using some what I call garlic, the minced garlic. It's already got a muted flavor. It's perfect for something like this where you're not cooking it. We've got all the seasoning going in right there, the dry spices going in. Make sure you get them all out of the jar, otherwise you're going to be missing a lot of that flavor. And then we've got lime juice, which is a recurring theme with all of this. And an immersion blender, we are going to stick this in here, mix this up really good. And seriously, again, that is how you make this. Just put this into a squeeze bottle, stick it in your fridge, and you have yourself a amount of creamy chipotle sauce anytime you want. Again, all the ingredients are always in the description down below. If you missed anything, just check it out down there. And that's it. That's how you make the Creamy Chipotle Sauce. So there is our Creamy Chipotle Sauce from Taco Bell. Now you know how to make it, and sure, you can buy it. You can just buy any of their sauces pretty much now. They're all bottled. You can pick them up at the store, pick them up on Amazon, Wally Mart, whatever you want to do, or you can make it yourself because a lot of people enjoy doing that. Plus, if you're allergic to anything inside of it, you can always adapt and change it. But now, you know the secrets to making really great Taco Bell Creamy Chipotle Sauce at home in your kitchen. For the third sauce, let's do the Avocado Ranch. We've got 1/2 cup of mayo. We've got 1/3 cup of buttermilk. We've got okay, we'll just wait. We'll wait. I can wait. Can you wait? All right, good. 1/3 cup of buttermilk is going in. I guess I could talk slower. All right, 1/2 of an avocado. Make sure it's fresh, otherwise it won't be a fresh avocado, and that's not good. We got the teaspoon of lime juice. We've got our dry ingredients going in, a little bit of garlic, onion powder, parsley and chives and salt, and then just hit this with the immersion blender and put it in the squeeze bottle. Then you've got yourself the avocado ranch dressing. Stick that in the fridge, and it's ready to go whenever you need it. It's delicious. And now, for our final sauce of this video, we have the Avocado Verde Sauce. We're going to take 5 or 6 tomatillos here. You got to take them off the husk and wash them. We've got about 1/2 of a white onion going in here. We're just putting this into a dry pot and just kind of heating this up real fast. We're on a fairly low heat. We've got 3 jalapenos that have been stemmed and seeded. and all that. Now we have 2 cloves of garlic. You can just rough chop that because this is going to be going in the blender. We're cooking this down. We got 2 small cans or 1 big can of the Ortega green chilies and a 1.5 cups of water going in here. This is just going to come to a simmer. We're going to put a lid on this and let this go about 20 to 25 minutes. When that is done, let it cool down for a minute, and then we're going to put this in the blender. Do be careful as you do that because it can be a little bit tricky. Also, we have the juice of a lime. We've got about a handful of cilantro. We've also got some salt and a 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, believe it or not, are going in this. And we have a 1/2 of an avocado. Hey, that's handy. You can use the other half of the avocado from the other one. Okay, danger warning, danger warning. You know how they always say put a towel over the top of your blender before you hit it with it? That's why. When you do that, well, I did that on purpose to show you what would happen. It's a mess and it will burn your hand. So take that little cap thing out of the center and put a towel over it. You see the steam coming out? There you go. That's the problem. All right, this is testing time. Let's see if we got this right. And yeah, that's right. Okay, now we have to cook this sauce. Yeah, you cook the sauce. It's a weird one. So we got 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, something like that. And we get it really, really hot. It's about 450 degrees when this goes in. So I'm using a tall-sided pot because it's going to splatter everywhere otherwise. So just get all of your wonderful loveliness in there. Make sure you scoop it all out because you just put half an hour work making this thing and you want to get all of it. All right, so we're going to put this in the pot here. We're going to fry this off, believe it or not, cook this off. And you want to bring this to a pretty nice simmer. This is where you can adjust the consistency of this. The longer you cook it, the more moisture is going to come out, the more steam, and it's going to reduce down to make a lovely thickened sauce. This is awesome. The color isn't exactly Taco Bell, but it is darn close. Now we're just going to put that in a squeeze bottle, as you've seen before, and that is the Avocado Verde Sauce. Oh yeah. And now you're going to make the sauces. You're ready to make all their menu items. I'm ready to say goodbye because this video is kind of a crazy thing with all of these different stuff. You've watched enough. I put you through enough here. Come back on another video. I swear it'll be a little bit easier. We won't have to go through so much stuff so fast. But you've made it this far. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you next time. Drive-Thru Kitchen. Bye.